In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AMP to TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First things first, if you're not familiar with TradingView, it's a great platform for charting and analyzing financial markets. To begin your journey in connecting AMP to TradingView, open your favorite web browser and go to TradingView's official site. You can simply type TradingView into your Google search bar, and it should come up right at the top of the search results. Once you've landed on the TradingView homepage, take a moment to explore, but make sure to focus on the next step, logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend creating one because you will need it to access the full features. Next, after logging in, look for your watch list. This is where you'll select the financial symbol that you want to connect to AMP. Take your time to choose the symbol because this will be the asset you are working with. It could be any stock, commodity, or cryptocurrency based on your interests and trading strategies. Now that you've chosen your symbol from the watch list, it's time to take a closer look at the data. Click on the Full Chart option. This will take you to a detailed chart view where you can analyze price movements, add indicators, and plan your trades effectively. Now, here's where the fun really begins. You need to open the trading panel. You can do this by pressing Shift and T simultaneously on your keyboard. If you prefer a more visual approach, simply locate the trading panel icon on the interface and click on it. In this panel, you'll see various options, including the option that says Connect Another Broker. Go ahead and select that. When you see the option to add a broker, it's time to type in AMP. This will allow TradingView to locate the AMP broker you wish to connect with. Once you do this, the platform will search for available options for you. Now, after doing the search, you should see AMP highlighted in the results. What you want to do next is to select AMP from the list by clicking on it. This action will open up a connection process where you will be prompted to take further steps. The final step is to click on the Connect button. This button will finalize the setup process, allowing you to trade directly through TradingView with your AMP account. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully connected AMP to TradingView. You can now seamlessly execute trades right from your TradingView interface. This integration will provide you with a smoother trading experience and help you make informed decisions based on real-time data. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, please feel free to drop a comment below. Remember, each trading journey is unique, and getting comfortable with these tools is key to becoming a successful trader. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!